Hello students. Now we are solving problems under house rent allowance, that is calculation of taxable house rent allowance as well as exempted amount of house rent allowance. Here taxable amount of house rent allowance is calculated by deducting exempted amount of house rent allowance from actual amount received. Exempted amount of house rent allowance under section 10 subsection 13a is list of four things, that is actual HRA received or rent paid over 10% of salary or 40% of salary or 50% of salary in case of metropolitan cities, 40% in non-metropolitan cities and 50% in metropolitan cities. In this way we are calculating. See this problem. Sachin gives the following details. Basic 8,000 per month, DA 2,000 per month, 50% of this forms part of salary for retirement benefits. HRA 2,500 per month. Rent paid for the house at Chennai is rupees 3,000 per month. Commission is received at 1% of sales turnover of rupees 10 lakhs. Compute taxable HRA. See this problem. Basic of Mr. Sachin amounts to rupees 8,000 per month. You have to calculate this for 12 months because as per this problem he is living in a rented house for entire year. Next, DA 2,000 per month you have to calculate for 12 months. Here see the information given in the bracket, it is very important. 50% of this forms part of salary for retirement benefits. Here out of 2,000 you have to consider only 50%, that is 1,000 per month you have to consider because you have to consider only retirement benefit. That is why 1,000 into 12 you have to consider. Next see HRA 2,500 per month. This is HRA received. Actual HRA received you have to calculate 2,500 into 12. Next, rent paid for the house at Chennai 3,000 per month. It is actual rent paid that you have to consider while calculating rent paid over 10% of salary. Next see commission is received at 1% of sales turnover of 10 lakhs. So here your salary will be basic plus DA, that is 50% of DA and commission on turnover. Let us solve this problem. See the note. Since commission is paid as a percentage of turnover, it is part of salary for retirement benefits and hence is considered. You have to give this note while solving the problem because the valuer must know why you are taking this commission into consideration. Okay. See the computation of HRA of Mr. Sachin for the assessment year 2020-21. 3 columns you have to draw, that is particulars and 2 amounts column. First you have to write actual HRA received for 12 months because he is residing in rented house for 12 months, that is 2,500 into 12, that amounts to rupees 30,000. From that you have to deduct exempt under section 10 subsection 13a, that is list of the following 3 things. First one, actual HRA received 30,000. Second one, rent paid above 10% of salary. The calculation is given in note. Refer to that note, that is excess rent paid over 10% of salary. Here rent paid in Chennai amounts to rupees 3,000 per month. For 12 months you have to calculate, that amounts to rupees 36,000. Next, salary. In this problem salary means basic 50% of DA and 1% commission on 10 lakhs turnover, that is DA 8,000 per month, basic 8,000 per month, DA 1,000 per month, that is 50% of 2,000, that is for 1 month. You have to consider it for 12 months, that plus 1% commission amounts to rupees 10,000. Total of salary amounts to rupees 1,18,000 for 12 months. You have to consider only 10% of salary. So that amounts to rupees 11,800. When you deduct this 11,800, that is 10% salary from rent, you get 24,200 as the excess rent paid over 10% of salary. So here rent paid above 10% of salary amounts to rupees 24,200. Next, here you have to consider 50% of salary. Why? Because Chennai is a metropolitan city. Only 4 metropolitan cities are there in India. They are Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. Here Chennai is metropolitan city, that is why 50% of 1,18,000, that amounts to rupees 59,000. Least of the following you have to consider. Here least is rent paid about 10% of salary. When you deduct that thing from HRA received, you get 5,800 as taxable HRA. This type of problem may come for 4 marks in your final examination. Please give concentration to this type of problem. Very important and very simple problems and compulsory problem which will come to your exam. Next, see this problem. Find the taxable amount of HRA of Miss Panchali from the following particulars. Basic salary 20,000 per month. DA at 10% of basic considered for retirement benefit. Commission based on fixed percentage of sales at 1% on the annual sales of rupees 25 lakhs, which means 25,000 will be 1% of the turnover 25 lakhs, that is 25,000. If you want, take the calculation here only. 1% of 25 lakhs, 25,000. Actual HRA received 3,000 per month. Actual rent paid 2,000 per month. House is situated at Madikeri. It is very important. House is situated at Madikeri. It is not metropolitan city. That is why 40% of salary you have to consider. Basic 20,000 and DA at 10% of basic. 10% of 20,000 per month amounts to rupees 2,000 per month. It is retirement benefit. So you have to consider entire DA. For 12 months you have to calculate basic plus DA 20,000 plus 2,000, 22,000 into 12 you have to calculate. Next, actual HRA received given in the problem 3,000 per month. You have to calculate it for 12 months. And actual rent paid 2,000 per month is given. You have to calculate it also for 12 months. See the solution. Computation of HRA of Miss Panchali for the assessment year 2020-21. Actual HRA received 3,000 for 1 month. For 12 months that amounts to rupees 36,000. From that you have to deduct exempt under section 10 subsection 13A, that is actual HRA received 36,000. Rent paid about 10% of salary. See the note. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary, 2,000 into 12, that is rent paid. From that you have to deduct 10% of salary. Salary means basic plus DA for 12 months plus 25% commission on annual turnover, that amounts to rupees 2,89,000 salary for 1 year into 10% of that amounts to rupees 28,900. So the 10% of salary is more than your rent paid. That means your excess of rent paid over 10% of salary is nil. Why? Here salary is more than the rent. That is why you have written it as nil. That is rent paid over 10% of salary is nil. Don't write in a negative figure, because here excess of rent paid is asked. Okay, that is why nil. 40% of salary, that is 2,89,000 is 1,15,600. Here least is nil, that is rent paid over 10% of salary is nil. That is your exempted amount of HRA. So the taxable amount of HRA is 36,000. That means what they actually received is fully taxable. So this is about HRA. Very important for your exam. Read it well. Thank you. Let us meet in the next session.